What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in today's video I'm going to do a video test of this Sony 50mm lens, which is a nifty 50 F1.8 lens, which I have right here. I'm going to test the quality and the autofocus of this lens right here. So what I'm recording right now, this is the Sigma 16 to 28mm lens, which is my vlog lens. I use all the time on my camera, but I'm just testing this lens today to see if it actually would perform well in videos. I'm using the lens right now. Now, I was curious to know how this lens actually perform with video, especially with the autofocus on this lens right here. As I mentioned previously, I don't really use lens for video because I have my Sigma 16 to 28mm lens, which I always use for my video production. But today I'm just testing out this lens right here to see the image quality and also the autofocus of this lens right here. So guys, the camera that I'm recording on right now is the Sony ZVE1. I have the picture profile is on off. I'm not recording in the S-Log, so this is just a normal picture profile which comes out of the camera right here. I might do some minor color grading, but not much. So this is just image quality which is coming out of this lens right here. Autofocus on this right here, guys, as you can see that I'm actually tracking on my eyes right now. Walk out of frame. So if you're using this lens, I recommend that you guys should use this lens and a tripod. If not, you should have a gimbal with this lens right here because it doesn't have any in-body stabilization. So the image on this can be a bit shaky. Make it worse if your camera doesn't have any in-body stabilization either. Speaking about settings, right now I'm recording at 24 frames. Now the lens right here can go down to 1.8. I'm at the lowest stop right now. That's why I'm getting those nice bokeh right there, because I'm at 1.8 f-stop. And the reason why I can go 1.8 f-stop is because right now I'm using an ND filter. I'm using a KNF ND filter. I'm going to also put a link of this ND filter in the description so you guys can see. And the ISO which I'm recording right now is 80. The shutter speed is double the frame rate, which is 50 on this lens right here. So those are my settings which I'm using to get those nice view right here, as you guys can see. Just testing autofocus so you guys can see as well. Yeah, 50mm lens. I'm out here. I'm not sure if this can focus on me. Probably not. Hopefully you can see me right here. Hopefully you can pick up my face with this autofocus. Let's go a bit closer and see what happened. So as I realize that as I come closer to the camera right here, the background becomes more blurry. That's because I'm at a lower f-stop right here, which gives me that bokeh. Yeah, so this 50mm is indeed, I'll actually use this lens more. I think this lens a bit sharper than my Sigma. I'm not sure. I might have to do a test of that as well. So make sure you guys subscribe as well to this channel. I might do a review comparison of this lens with my Sigma vlog lens. Even though this lens though is not typically can use for vlogging because the reach right here is very far. As you can see, I'm at far distance from my camera. So with the Sigma though, I can actually reach arm's length and touch my camera, but the 50 lens right here, I have to stay way out to get that focal length. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is just my test right here with the Sony 50mm nifty 50 lens right here. Hope you guys find this video very helpful. Hope you guys will consider using this lens more in terms of you're going to get those great autofocus, great image quality, and great focal length as well with this lens right here. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace. I'm out.